now we're going to show you how to use your block-out blinds in the front cab of the Fiat Ducato. So there's some little black clips here, so you just squeeze the clips together and it pops out. Same on the driver's side, squeeze the clips and then gently bring them together like so, and then they'll meet in the middle and they magnet together. So it's really important that these are only used in the evening and at night. The purpose of them is not for sunshades. They're made of a sort of a hardened cardboard and they will get damaged in the sunlight. So yeah, if you want to block out the sunlight, it's good to use the outside wraparound screen that's provided in your boot. But otherwise, yeah, the purpose is for the evening and the night. And be very careful with them because they are delicate. So then obviously you just pull the magnets apart and, like I say, gently slide them back and click them into place. Same on this side. Make sure they're properly locked in because you don't want to be driving along and they slide across. And then on each of the sides you've got the same thing. So again, there's a little black clip which you just squeeze and it pops out. Again, it's got a little magnet, so that will just gently come across, magnet onto there, and then you've got your side blind, and same on the other side. And to pop it away, again, just gently slide back and lock it into place.